Welcome to Majestic Hunters, your ultimate guide to the awe-inspiring world of the bald eagle. Join us on an exhilarating journey as we delve into the lives, behaviors, and habitats of North America's iconic symbol of freedom and strength. Meet the bald eagle, a magnificent bird of prey renowned for its striking appearance and powerful presence. With its distinctive white head and tail contrasting against a dark brown body, the bald eagle commands attention wherever it soars. Learn about the eagle's impressive wingspan, razor-sharp talons, and keen eyesight, essential tools for survival in the wild. Explore the vast wilderness where bald eagles reign supreme. From the rugged mountains of Alaska to the dense forests of the Pacific Northwest, discover the diverse habitats that these majestic birds call home. Learn about their nesting habits, from towering treetops to towering cliffs overlooking pristine lakes and rivers. Witness the bald eagle's prowess as a skilled hunter. With lightning-fast dives and precise aerial maneuvers, these apex predators snatch fish from the water's surface with unparalleled precision. Delve into the eagle's diet, which includes a variety of prey ranging from fish and waterfowl to small mammals and carrion. Now let's follow the journey of bald eagle pairs as they build their nests, perform intricate courtship displays, and raise their young. Experience the thrill of witnessing eaglets hatch from their eggs and grow into formidable fledglings under the watchful eyes of their parents. Learn about the challenges facing bald eagles, from habitat loss to environmental toxins, and the conservation efforts underway to protect these majestic birds for future generations. Uncover the rich symbolism and cultural significance of the bald eagle throughout history. From Native American folklore to modern-day emblems of national pride, explore how this magnificent bird has captured the imagination of people around the world. Join us on Majestic Hunters as we soar alongside the bald eagle, celebrating its beauty, resilience, and unwavering spirit in the wild. Subscribe now and embark on an unforgettable adventure into the heart of Eagle Country. See you again with more exciting episodes on wildlife. Take care and bye.